Hello everyone, welcome to our channel UPSC Aspirant, the smart way of learning. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about how to make effective notes from NCERT books. I literally covered each and every NCERT books of all the subjects history, polity, economy, geography, and all the subjects thrice and made notes out of it. Here, the first subject that we are going to see is world history. World history is also very important in the prelims perspective. Every year you will get at least 2 or 3 questions in the prelims. I have read the world history of NCERT books and I also referred to some articles in the Google, and also I searched some websites and I wrote the relevant information which is very necessary in the exam perspective. World geography is important for the prelims due to the fact that almost 5 to 6 questions are asked every year from this section in the exam. NCERT books are the best source for the preparation of world geography. Especially the 11th class and 12th class NCERT books are very important in geography. Now coming to the ancient history. For ancient history, we need to read 6th class history NCERT book and also the theme 1 of 11th class history NCERT, as they cover most of the important facts, account to the exam and gives you the conceptual understanding of all the topics. Modern history. So coming to the subject of modern history, it is very important regarding the exam of UPSC. Every year number of questions have been asked from this topic. The scope of this is very large in the exam. One need to go through the NCERTs of 8th to 12th classes thoroughly, as they provide good conceptual understanding of all the topics. Polity. Polity is also one of the very important subjects in the exam. It is a compulsory subject which has very high importance in UPSC. To have clear understanding of all the topics from ground level, we need to go through 6th to 12th classes NCERT books. I have read all the NCERT books three times. After reading, I have made note in a clear and a proper way, which can be referred whenever we want. And I hope this had helped you. If you still have any doubts, please mention in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get more updates.